This is 2243 East Biddle. Here to see what we got going with the final punch out work and furnace install. Also have an electrician here for an inspection. Hoping for that UNO. A lot of cleanup needed. Other than that, the walls are done. Still need to put the back steps on once they deal with the BG&E electric line. Okay, in the basement, and there is the furnace to be hooked up today. Okay. I don't see any numbers on it. So we got a furnace here, got all the ductwork installed, so it's a matter of install. 2243 East Biddle. I'm gonna take a peek upstairs. Gotta get our appliances in. Ceilings look good. How you doing today?
How are you, sir?
Pretty good. Not humid today, that's good.
Yeah.
Front bedroom looks good, our best back bedroom. Bathroom has tile installed, fixtures need some trim. Tub looks good. So other than the trim, that's all that's needed here, and cleaning. Front bedroom, completely finished. No signs of leakage issues. So there's very little work to be completed here. Closets, finished. 2243 East Biddle.